try this piece. Yeah. Here. She's trying to do little pieces. Yay! Look at the big girl. Woo! Dad, tape this any worse? Goodness. Super tape. Whoa! Yay! She's gonna love this tomorrow. Oh my god. So much more fun than last year. Oh. Yay! You got it. Don't worry. Alright, rip it. Pull it. Yay! Now, oh my gosh, the box. Luckily, my work handy skills, I know how to open boxes with paper. Yeah. Pull it. Pull it. Woo! Look at the baby go. Yay! What's in here? Ooh. What's that? Here, let's open that next. Look it. Oh, she just wants the toy.
Yeah.
That's all she wants.
Whoa. Toys.
She doesn't care about the clothes.
No.
Oh, yeah. Those are the kind where you can chew and they don't come off.
Oh.
Yay.
Yay.
We got shirt. Look at your shirt. How pretty. Aww. Ah. Oh, this is cute. That's funny. I haven't seen a shirt on there that I've never seen a shirt that says mommy and daddy. I just either mommy or daddy. So that's funny. That's cool. Oh, we gotta get the paper. Oh, wait, you dropped it in there. Never mind. These are all 24 months. 18 months.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Hi. What you got? You got Christmas presents? Look at
Oh,
you dragging
wow,
the
look
paper.
at you. Wow.
Thomas, she's dragging the paper on her foot. That's funny.
Oh, look how pretty. Bet you she's loving this. New clothes. I mean, new toys.
Hi. Block. That's a block.
She's getting to the age where anything new she's going to want to play with because
Oh, sure.
she doesn't recognize it. And you like it because you can chew it.
Wood.
Oh my god.
Paper off her foot.
That's cute. Months.
That's what she's in. It's cute.
Yeah.
You got some new
Oh.
clothes. That's very cute.
Yeah.
Goodness sakes. Oh, yeah.
Looks like the blue one almost, except it doesn't have it on the back.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's
That's cute.
It's very cute. Oh, there you go.
There, finally. You're just talking about how badly we needed 18-month jeans. So perfect. Perfect. Say thank you. No, I'm just going to eat my block instead. You don't need to eat blocks. Look it. Look. destroying them already. Oh, look. Oh, look at you. That's cool. They're just telling you we needed to get an ornament for this year. That's perfect. Oh, we got the name spelling right this time. Yay. Oh. See, that's cool.